Next, as a part of your expression, you got to figure out how do you express sound effects, right? The story in visual form in comics relies on sound effects. And so you have to illustrate sounds that you can't hear. And so there's a lot of fun that can be had creating those sound effects and embedding them into the page. And so this just takes practice, and it takes a lot of research actually to look for these words and to figure out how to spell them, these onomatopoeias. It's not that easy. And so I've always got tabs and windows open on my computer looking for random spellings and thinking of ways to express a sound effect.